नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सभी लोग अच्छी तरह होंगे। और हमारे उन सभी साथियों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जिन्होंने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब किया है। फ्रेंड्स, फोरम ऑफ बैंक पेंशन एक्टिविस्ट के श्री जी एन शुक्ला जो हमारे पेंशन एक्टिविस्ट है और लगातार हमारे किसी न किसी, चाहे वित्त मंत्री हो, चाहे प्रधानमंत्री हो, चाहे चीफ जस्टिस को याद दिलाते रहते हैं कि बैंक पेंशनर भी इसी भारत में रहते हैं। और उन्होंने एक पत्र लिखा सिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमन, ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को, रिस्पेक्टेड मैम, रेस्क्यू बैंक पेंशनर्स। वी कॉल अपॉन यू टू प्लीज प्रिवेंट पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स मैनेजमेंट from inhuman treatment to bank pensioners and ask them to give legitimate rights enshrined in legally enforceable settlements, regulations, committee decisions, DFS advices. Enough is enough. Please take necessary action to rescue pensioners who are sinking in swamp created by IBA working unions. We have nothing new to bring to your notice as over periods inhuman treatment being meted out to bank pensioners and deprivation of their legitimate rights have been a hot topic. It caught your personal attention in late 2022, but no sequential measures were taken to address woes of aged and ailing pensioner. A dormant situation continues for over 38 years. Lakhs of pensioners have had died of the deprivation of their rights, and lakhs are languishing under extreme financial distress and the precarious health conditions. Neither their pension is updated nor they are provided health insurance cover. It's despite allocation of welfare funds by DFS wide dated letter 24th February 2012 with an advice to take group health insurance of both working and retired. Nobody has ever shown an interest at DFS to look into why their advice is not being adhered to and health insurance cover not provided to retired. This is a big irony where bank pensioners are neither allowed to live nor die in peace. They have become Trishanku between life and death. Banks have crushed all human aspects. You are last ray of hope in following issues. Firstly, they are denied of their pension revision to which they have been entitled on RBI line. Pension is a constitutional right to property and livelihood. No revision is encroachment in constitutional right, as pension updation on RBI line has been enshrined in Pension Settlement and BEPR 1995. Governing pension in banking pension fixed on the meager basic pay drawn on retirement continues right from 1st November 86. In RBI, pension was first revised in 2003, followed with a March 19 and June 23, but no revision has been done in banks. It's despite the condition of pension updation on RBI line in pension settlement dated 29th October 93. Secondly, so far lakhs of pensioners have died due to the no health security. Its management made tragedy. It's despite government allocating welfare funds wide DFS letter dated 24th February 12 to banks as per the Khandelwal Committee Report 2010 with an advice among other things to take group health insurance for both working and retired. Retired employees have not been provided group health insurance from welfare funds. KCR 2010 earmarked 25% of the welfare fund for the group health insurance of retired and 25% for working. Working banksmen are getting group health insurance from 2015 from welfare fund, but retired are not. Banks have been diverting welfare fund earmarked for retired to other purposes. It amounts to embezzlement, but DFS has been maintaining ostrich approach and never looked into the complaints emanating from retired and pensioners. Thirdly, in wage revision settlement dated 8 March 24, for pensioner as a relief measure, certain ex gratia amount has been decided to be paid every month along with the pension from 1st November 22, with a condition to review ex gratia amount in April 24 and then on yearly basis, because ex gratia amount doesn't attract any DA. Banks have not reviewed ex gratia amount due in April 24 and April 25. It's a violation of settlement under ID Act 1947. In this regard, complaints made to DFS evoked no action. IBA is twisting it. Pensioners are crying. DFS is under deep slumber. Fourthly, in settlement reached on 8 March 24, CPI base year 1960 has been replaced by base year 2016 from 1st November 22. Working employees and those who are retired from November 22 onwards are getting DA on base year 2016. But pre-November 2022 pensioners are again left in base year 1960. It's another discrimination like earlier one of 100% DA, which was resolved in recent past at your behest. In all above issues, stalemate continues despite legally enforceable settlements, decisions, advice. Entire pensioners' fraternity is worst hit. They are wandering without any solutions, pinning their hopes in your good selves. Confidently, they look to you as their ultimate savior. We seek your intervention in the pensioners' matters with humble request to please direct department concerned to resolve following issues at the earliest. First, pension updation on RBI line in compliance with the pension settlement dated 29th October 93 committee decision /BEPR 95. Second, health insurance from welfare funds to all retired bankmen as advised by DFS, void their letter dated 24th February 2012. Third, ex gratia amount review due in April 24 and April 25 in compliance with settlement dated 8 March 24. Fourth, pre-November 2022 pensioners should be given DA on base year 2016 from November 22 as being given to post-November 22 pensioner to end discrimination. These are in no way any new demand. These issues are of implementation of the settlements, BEPR 95, committee decisions, DFS advices. Respectful regards, JN Shukla, National Convener, 7 जुलाई। न पेंशन न दवाई और केवल पेंशनर की हो रही है किसी भी प्रकार की, हर प्रकार की अवहेलना, जिससे they are compelled to live in harshness. Thank you friends. Namaste.